The benefit of knacking. Hi guys, my name is Asobi South and I'm here this morning to teach you the benefit of knacking because so many people enjoys knacking but they feel that it's just for the fun of it without knowing that there are strong benefits behind it. So I beg you to pay great attention while you listen to me. There are benefits of knacking which includes improves your immunity. Yes, knacking improves your immunity. Yes. When you knack at least 3 to 4 times a week, it helps you to improve your immunity. It boosts your immune and you will also have 30% increase in IgA, an antibody that shows how tough our immune system is. Men and women who knack 3 to 4 times a week are being exposed to infectious agents. This agent helps you to fight infection in your body. Remember that because of the constant knacking, because you have been able to knack at least 3 to 4 times a week, your body have been able to provide what we call IgA, which is an antibody that shows how strong your immune system is. So this will help you fight every infection that is coming to your body. So it's very necessary and advisable that any man or woman out there who is up to 30 and above, try everything possible to at least maintain their knacking life to be at least in a level of 3 to 4 times in a week. It will help to boost your immune and will help you to reduce the risk of infections, right? The second advantage of knacking is that it helps you to stay away from high blood pressure. It helps you to stay away from heart attack. It helps you to stay away from stroke, especially in the life of women. It's very important that as a woman, you maintain your knacking level at that 4 to 3 times a week, because if not, when you get to the age of 30 and above, your libido will become so low. Yes, it will become so low, and before you know it, we begin to experience what we call dryness in the pecus. Your pecus will be so dry, which simply means that whenever you try to make out with your partner, you will feel pain down there. And it's not just that you're feeling pain, your partner will has nothing to enjoy, because that place will be very dry. That is the causes of low libido. So it's very necessary that as a woman, you maintain your knacking level to 3 to 4 times a week. It will help you. There is a lot of benefits, which includes your high blood pressure, even as a pregnant woman, as a woman who is still giving birth to children. You remember that as a woman, when pregnancy occurs, in so many cases, women go through types of sickness. Is either they say your sugar level is high, or that your high blood pressure is high. So, but when your knacking level is being maintained to 3 to 4 times a week, it helps you because the immune system in your body will work stronger than what it used to work. It helps you. Do you understand? It helps you to stay away from all these kind of sicknesses, high blood, stroke, heart attack, and all that, and also to help your libido to stay in a very high quality. Do you understand? There won't be anything like dryness in your pecus and all that, right? Let us continue. Number 3 is it reduces pain like a cluster headache, migraine, etc. Because oftentimes we always use headache or any kind of pain as an excuse not to make out with our partner. So I want to let you know, this is for both male and female. I want to let you know that knacking produces what we call endorphins, and this is a natural body painkiller. Yes, when you knack, even when you're having headache. I don't know, most of you or some of you must have experienced it. Sometimes when you are having headache, when you're feeling some kind of pain, that you will be like, hey, all I need now is just to sleep. But if by chance one thing leads to another and you were able to knack your partner, you will find out that pain will either disappear or reduce. Yes, this is because that knacking that you've just had has produced what we call endorphins in your body, which is the natural pain killer. Do you understand? So please, whenever you are having headache, be it normal headache, be it cluster headache, be it migraine, make sure that after taking your glass of water, make sure that the next thing you'll be doing is to do what? To give your partner a chance to knack your partner and then rest. You will find out that by the time you're done resting, all the pain, all the headache will do what? Disappear, right? The next one is that it improves sleep. Yes, doing knacking, a cocktail of chemical is being released to the brain, which include oxytocin, dopamine, and a rush of endorphin. all these hormones joined together leaves you sleepy. Do you understand? So the next time when you found out that you cannot sleep, instead of you to be walking around the sitting room or maybe watching news, reading newspapers, the best thing you can do for yourself is to knack. Because once you knack, all these hormones I just mentioned will be joined together and they will leave you no other choice than to sleep, right? So the next one is that it reduces stress. Yes, when you're stressed up, you're very, very stressed at the office, anywhere, anything, your business is stressing you up, whatever that is stressing you up as a man or as a woman, the best thing you can do for yourself is to have a good knacking. This reduces stress instantly. Yes, when you have a good knacking, remember that there are some hormones that are responsible, just the moon we mentioned, they are responsible in leaving you sleepy. And when you are stressed up, believe me, you need to calm your head down, you need to sleep. And most times when you are stressed up, you find out that you cannot sleep naturally. When you are stressed, when something is bothering you, you find it very difficult to just close your eyes and start sleeping. This is why we recommend knacking. Yes, when you are stressed up, it's very, very advisable that you knack, because when you knack, it will help you to sleep. It will help you to calm your nerves. Do you understand? So that is also the reason why when you see some women out there who their knacking life is very, very low, who are not usually knacking, or women who don't have men in their life, you find out that any little thing pisses them off. They always eat themselves up. Any little thing, this is because those hormones that are responsible in calming their nerves has not been triggered for a long time. Do you understand? So when you're passing through any kind of stress, I advise you that you do what you try to knack. Get a good knack. It will help you to calm your nerves down. So the next one is that it helps to reduce the risk of prostate cancer, which is very, very common in the life of men. Do you understand? So it is very necessary that as a man, you make sure that you at least ejaculate 3 to 4 times a week or more. Than it helps to save you from the risk of contracting what we call what? Prostate cancer, right? So the last one is that it boosts the brain. Do you understand? Which is retentive memory, especially in the life of women. Because when a woman knacks, when women knacks, they stimulate what we call hippocampus, which is the part of the body that is involved in learning and memory. Do you understand? So if your woman is not always remembering things, if she doesn't have retentive memory, I think you should knock her often. Yeah, she is lacking this hormone I am talking about. This hippocampus is not being produced in her body. So I think you should knock her often. Knacking will help her. Remember that a woman where they come, na in they always they obey, na in they submissive. Women where they come, na then they sharp fast, because that immune is working very well in her body. Do you understand? So it's very necessary that you knack your woman often, or like as a woman, it's very necessary that you knack often to help this immune, which is responsible for learning and retentive memory, to be working 100% in your body, right? I love you. Don't forget to share this video for me. I will see you in my next one. One love, my people. Bye.